Hi, Peter here. Welcome to part 2 of this night play session. Tonight I'm playing with Jane Rennie, a friend of mine who's just a local club player. It's a few interesting hands, but a lot of them are about common mistakes that might be made and how you can reduce them. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, I'll just move on to the next hand. 14 points. Balanced hand. Diamond and no trump, 2 spades. I don't need to say anything more. And it settled in 2 spades. My partner didn't balance, so what hand shape would they have? If they had a 5-card club suit, they might have bid 3 clubs. So they might be like a 4-3-3 on clubs. I'm not going to lock that in, but I think that's a possibility. So I'll just lead a diamond and see where we get to from here. Diamond, diamond, and a spade. Still not in a rush, so Dummy's not going to set up any suits for any discards, so I just want to make them do all the work. I think my partner's got 4 diamonds, maybe? Or 2 diamonds? Okay, she's got 4 diamonds, so I probably would have bid 3 diamonds on her hand, most likely. Because we probably have a diamond fit. Threw a diamond away, so should probably return a club here. Okay, so I'll just catch the ace of clubs, unblocking the club suit and forcing them to run out of their stuff. They now have to play hearts. They can't exit anything to me. And they had the rest of the tricks. So they managed to make 9 tricks pretty easily. So here with the north hand, diamond, pass, or no trump, all good, 2 spades, pass, pass. Here I just make a balancing double, just double. And then we can compete to 3 diamonds. They might bid to 3 spades over it. Nothing much will happen. But make them work for a little bit harder. 16 points and my partner opened. Nice. So can we make a slam? I'm tossing up between 3 no trumps or bidding something like 3 clubs, natural and forcing. Because my partner's denied a club suit, so if I'm going to make up a suit, that's the one I'm going to bid. Stuff it, I'll just bid 3 no trumps. Okay, so we didn't miss a slam, that's a good start. 4 spade tricks, 4 heart tricks, 2 club tricks. They can take 3 diamonds, so I'll just start untangling stuff. My spades are probably going to be good, but I'm not in a rush. I'll make them make a couple of discards on the hearts. Okay, now I've seen 2 spade discards, so my clubs are going to be good. Not my clubs, my spades. Oh, are they? 1, 1, 5, 6. Yeah, they are. They threw too many. And just a nice easy 11 tricks. They gave me 1 trick in the play. They could have helped me to 10. And West should have held on to 1 more spade. They don't know if I've got 5, but they're not in a rush. So here, this is something people frequently do where they see that that my spades will either come in or they don't, and I've got my 4 hearts and my ace of king of clubs. So they play a spade to the queen, heart to the king, and now take all their spade tricks, see that they don't divide, and then just take the rest of the stuff. Whereas here, I played on hearts first, giving the opponents the opportunity to throw the wrong thing away, and they took it up, so I got an extra trick. So here I've got a 5-card diamond suit I could bid, or I can just make a takeout double. I prefer to make a double. Partner being a passed hand sort of pushes me towards the overcall because I think the lead factor is higher, but I wanted to be able to compete in any suit, so thought I'd do that. 1 club double, 2 no trumps. Yeah, I'll take that double as a takeout double. I doubt it's a penalty double. So my 3 diamond bid here isn't strong, even if that was a penalty double, because if she was making a penalty double and I had a strong hand, I would definitely just pass. Okay, 3 spades it is. It's a nice tight battle we're having against the robots here. I haven't really paid attention, but I doubt 3 spades is going to make a lot of heart losers and a lot of other stuff. But the diamonds are coming in nicely. She threw a club away. I guess she's worried about them just drawing trumps and getting a couple of club tricks. I don't know why the East hand didn't lead a club. Their partner raised clubs. They didn't have the ace, so they had no real reason not to. Diamonds were 3-3, so... And maybe 1 down? Yeah, 1 down, hearts broke 3-2. So trump, play a heart, trump, play a heart. 1 down, bad luck. Okay, 10, 16 points, 4-4 in the majors. Let's fire in 1 no trump. So the opponents would have made 3 clubs pretty easily on that last hand. And 1 down was the best you could do after the lead. But in one no trump, let's focus on that. 4 spade tricks, ace of clubs, ace of diamonds, and they led the queen of hearts. Okay. Okay, 7 tricks, hooray! Okay, so I'll just rattle off my 4 spades. And then I'll probably play a heart. I'm not in any rush to, like, they won't be able to beat me. West is throwing diamonds. Yeah. So it looked like they might have been asking for an unblock, but still not an issue. West is actually causing their partner some difficulties. Not enough difficulties though. So I managed to make my 1. If I trusted their leads rather than just wondering if they just occasionally do something else, but 1's the best I can do on that hand. But if I trusted their leads, I might have tried something else, but they just do some strange stuff, so thought I'd just fire in a heart in case they did something different. But they underled for unblock. So on the last hand, they led queen of hearts. They wanted their partner to throw the jack away if they had it. I think that's what they do. So some people play ace-as for unblock, or king-as for unblock, or something like that. What I like is you just lead the card over the one you want the partner to throw away. So from ace, king, queen, 10, you lead the queen. From ace, king, jack, 10, 9, you lead the king, and so forth. But diamond to heart. Here I got a fit, so I can do 2 hearts. Wow, we won it in 2 hearts, and we have a 9 card fit. That's amazing. So they've only got a fit in the suit I opened first, so it's pretty tough for them. I don't imagine this hand will be too difficult. I'd probably play another... Yeah, I would have played a spade straight away. So I would play heart to the ace and then a spade. I don't think ace has 6 clubs. But what I wanted to be able to do is just trump both my spades without them being able to draw my trump. As you saw, they got to play the heart drawing the trump, and then my partner can't ruff both of their spades. So looks like she'll just make 2, but I think she might have been able to make 3. So if they lead a heart, she can't. But king of spades, yep. And then they returned a club. So here, if you play a spade now, they can't draw your trump, and you can ruff both of your... So I'm surprised a heart to the ace you still can't do it, but play a spade now. Don't worry about them. They're not going to get a ruff. That's a pretty nice 8 count. I was just briefly thinking about making a slam try. Huh. I guess I should have. Partner has an amazing hand. We're going to make 13 tricks. So here she's got 14, 18, 22 points, and it's all in aces and kings, and there's 10s. I would upgrade this hand to 23-24. So aces and kings are undervalued, so you don't want to just count your points and be done with it. Here I'd open 2 clubs, and then we might get to 6 hearts. I think I led the jack of clubs, right? Yeah, so she can just draw trumps and it's got all 13. Even opposite 20-22, I thought about looking for slam. It's pretty tricky with my hand. I do only have a nice 8 count. But yeah, I do think Jenny's hand was far too strong for a 2-no trump opening. So I'd show it as 23-24 at least. We've got all 4 aces and kings. You really don't need much from partner to make slam. Doubt we're going to get to 7. Might have like an established partnership could probably get to 7. Because I might be able to find out that your partner's got 4 aces and the king of spades and the king of clubs. Still can't count my 13th trick. No, she only made 12. Why did she? Yes, I'm an idiot. We're 13 there all along. I didn't even see. I stopped paying attention. Where did... Ah, she just blocked the club suit. Nice work. 1 heart. Okay, I'll test her out. I'll bid 2 hearts. I find it amazing when people realize they've underbid a contract. They frequently drop a trick because they don't put their main focus on making as many tricks as possible. Partner splintered. My hand's not terrible for her. I really like 4 diamond bid here just to be like last train. Yeah, I got some help for you. I'll bid it anyway. Like just minimum, but I've got 2 useful cards. So I'll see if what she does. So 1430, show 1. My hand's not great, so if we go down, it's probably because I've been overbidding it. But okay. So 4 clubs wasn't a splinter, so I would definitely play 4 club bid as a splinter, and my 4 diamond bid might just be a Q, but because it's my only thing available, I like it to be last train, or like I got some help for you, partner. And let's see if we go down. Oh, okay, so they just made her 9 of clubs good. Okay, so she's going to make, if she notices that. So here she can play Queen of Hearts, club to the 9, King of Spades, throw a diamond, lead a diamond up, and make 11 tricks. So here I'd have the bidding go 1 heart, 2 hearts. I'd then bid 3 spades splinter on her hand. And then I would bid 4 hearts sign off. As it is, if she meant 4 clubs as slam tray, playing me for Six of hearts. Ugh. Okay. Just going one down now. So she could have played the Queen of Hearts, drawing that, club to the 9, and then she would have been home and hosed. No, she's going a lot down now. Ace of Diamonds was on side, so she was always going to be safe. But just got herself confused. But again, even if you make a mistake, it's important not to worry that you just made a mistake. So most people, when they make mistakes, they then just compound it and make another one. So here, going down isn't great, but so heart lead, you're actually all okay. Score that. So here I play Ace of Spades, but you want to get back to my hand, so I'll just play the Queen of Hearts so that you've always got the King as an entry. Anyway, she let a low one, and now there's no entry to my hand. West could always just duck it, but if they duck it, you could play Ace of Clubs, King of Clubs, Queen of Clubs, Trump of Club. You're much better off. So I would have played the Queen of Hearts instead. But here, anyway, they then switch to the 10 of Clubs, and it's gone 10, Queen, Jack. So now my 9-8 are good. And you can just play the Queen of Hearts, club to my 9, and you're all good. But she got a bit confused and played a low heart. Okay, so here you made a mistake. If people make mistakes, that happens, but what you want to do is get that out of your head. Just forget about it. Like, there's nothing you can do anymore. So you want to take a moment and just think, all right, what can I do now? So here at this stage, they got in and they let another club. So here, if you could remember that my 9 of Clubs was an entry, you don't need to lose another club to the the 7. So you could have played a 4 of Clubs to the 9 and so forth and get out for 1 down. Might not make a difference, but you try and avoid compounding mistakes. People make mistakes all the time, but don't let it get in your head. Just try and move on. Okay. Jack of Hearts. Okay, so Jack of Hearts to the Queen. Let's hope that she returns a heart. That would be nice. Nope. So maybe she got a singleton. No, so I would have returned to another heart there. So Jack of Hearts to the Queen, heart back. Alright. So I'm not in a rush to take my heart tricks, I don't think. They've taken 2. They might take... They probably have a 5-card spade suit to think of it. I've got 4 tricks in my hand. I'll set up the next one. But I would suspect that they might just rattle off a bunch of spade tricks here. So hopefully they don't have 5 spade tricks, but let's see. No. I could try and be super greedy and let a low diamond. But I won't. And thankfully I didn't, I think. Oh, it didn't matter. So I probably could have tried it if I'd counted everything out. 6-5. I'm not going to preempt with a side 5 card major. So I'll just pass. And 3 hearts double. Yuck. Okay, they didn't bid. That's good. Well, they didn't pass, I mean. They did bid. And they settled in 4 clubs, so they might have missed a game. They didn't get a penalty out of us, so I'm quite happy here. East should not double 3 hearts. They should bid 3 no trumps. Doubles penalties, you just can't do it on hands like this. They're going to make this pretty comfortably, I think. Got a spade. Wow, they didn't take the finesse. So my partner did have 7 hearts. That's rather impressive. My hand's complete garbage. I think. I'm fairly sure diamonds were 2-2, 6-3, and yeah, and they're making 11. I've still got the queen of diamonds. So I think we can hold it to 10 on a heart lead. 10 of diamonds is okay. 10 of hearts is okay. Either of those. Now the opponents make 3 no trumps quite comfortably. So here with the East hand, I've just bid 3 no and get there. Double's pretty silly because partner's going to take it out and you're not going to get to a sensible spot. Okay, and 4 hearts. Is that all I want to settle on? I got 3 aces. My partner bid 3 clubs. No! Slam try. I'll bid 4 now. I don't need much from partner for slam to be kind of good. They can have like ace king of clubs, king queen of spades, and doubles and small heart. So they got 2 key cards, but not the queen. So they got the ace of clubs and the king of hearts, but they don't have the queen. Now, I don't want to be in a grand slam off the queen of hearts when we might only have a 9 card fit. Okay. So I can rough the diamond. Okay, so how can I best guarantee this? can ruff the diamond, check if hearts are 2-2. Oh, I can't really get back here. My entries are pretty mangled up here. What if I take a spade finesse first? Queen of diamonds, diamond to the ace, ruff a diamond, king of hearts, spade finesse. Yeah. Now our hearts 2-2. No. So I'm 1 down. So that was a really good slam. Either the spade finesse on side or hearts 2-2. Not sure if there was anything else I could have played for. So clubs were 3-3. So could have gone ace of clubs, king of clubs, ruff a club, ace of hearts. No, that's no good. Well, I can make it. I can go ace of clubs, king of clubs, ruff a club, ace of diamonds, ruff a diamond, king of hearts, club throwing a spade. And then I'm good. So on the club lead, is it worth playing king of clubs, trumpet club? Not really. No. I don't think so. I'm sure someone probably bloody made it. Yeah. I think I'm happy with my line. There might have been like a very slightly better line. But there I was on spade finesse or hearts 2-2. And I couldn't quite test hearts first and then test clubs, and so maybe I could have played club. Yeah, yuck. Anyway, pass or no trump, pass 2 clubs, pass 2 hearts, pass 3 no trumps. Alright, so I'll lead a club. West came down with 12 high card points and East has 15 to 17. So 12 and 4 is 16. There's 24 missing. 15 to 17 there. So my partner's got 7 to 9 points. So they club. So my partner going to play another club. Show me that 10 of clubs. Okay, so they've just removed my entry. Don't want to fire back a diamond. Alright, I'll just play a spade. Now she plays a club, but I'm entryless. So we got 3 tricks. So if she played a club straight away, then we could have got another trick. I made 10 tricks. I think it only just cost 1. East has a slightly unbalanced hand. They've got a 2-4-5-2, but so club lead. Just give me a reverse count, which is nice. Nice little change. Spade to the king. They unblocked the queen of clubs. Now took a spade to the ace, queen and ace. Now we can hold it to 9 tricks if she plays a club. We set up our extra club trick in time, but she just knocked out the entry too early. We're working on the clubs. If I had good diamonds, I might have led them, so there's no real need to do it. But ace probably didn't need to unblock the queen of clubs at that stage. But pass a spade, pass a no trump. No, I'll bid 2 diamonds. It's not a very good bid, but get in there, not let them have a free run. Oh, my partner had a nice hand. Okay. West led the 7 of spades, so I've got something like king 10-8 7 fifth or queen 10-8 7 fifth. So I'll just duck it. Watch the okay. Yeah. And take the spade hook. Alright. Start drawing some trumps. Get the spade knocked off. And I will continue drawing trumps. And a nice 9 tricks. Might have done better in hearts, I don't know. It's pretty close. Yeah, it's good that my partner didn't hang me with their 14 points for just putting in a bid as a passed hand. I like to preempt a lot, so when I pass and bid, it's not. It's just because I'm bidding just to stick my nose in a bit. It's nice when partner doesn't just constantly raise you all the time because they've found a fit. Heart, a spade, 2 clubs, 3 hearts, 4 hearts. Double. Good. I don't have anything there. But what I do have is a diamond, so hopefully I've got the unbid suit helped. So let's see how that goes. But I don't think my partner's got good diamonds. Okay. 10 of clubs. So it doesn't look like a good start. That doesn't look like a good start either. So clubs are 4-4-1. She led away from the queen of clubs into the club bidder. That seems like a pretty poor lead, especially when they've bid the game and she's got all the points. I really don't have much for her. So king, queen of spades. She probably has like the ace, king of hearts or something. I'm not sure why she doesn't bashing them out. So she probably doesn't have them then. Okay, so I'll ruff. Preserve her heart holding. Ruffing the king of hearts, okay. And they made 10 tricks. So yeah, here ace of diamonds I think is a standout lead. It's the unbid suit. You got yeah, unbid suit. Don't want to let a club into the club bidder there. We can go diamond, diamond, diamond ruff, and score the king of hearts later. As for doubling, I probably wouldn't double on that hand. Hearts aren't breaking for them, but you don't really have that many top defensive tricks. So I'd probably just pass, let them have it there. And with the 14 points, you know your partner's pretty much completely broke. So I wouldn't lead away from my queen there. 1 spade pass 4 spades. Alright, I'll double. I like this double to be like takeout-ish, but I don't know what Jane plays it as. Like takeout-ish, like can be frequently passed. Okay, club lead. Let's get the ace of diamonds, see what I find out. Then I played the 8. Okay, let's hope she actually gave me a reverse count. Hooray! Alright, now I can play on hearts. Now get a heart back. She might be worried that I got a doubleton diamond and be trying to give me a diamond ruff. If that was the case, I would probably be leading a high heart, saying I don't like hearts. Okay, so they misguessed the heart suit. I probably wouldn't be brave enough to underlead my heart, so they probably should have got that right. And they've got the rest of the tricks nice and comfortably. But yeah, so I like double to be like, you can take it out if you think we can make something. Now, a lot of the time, partner will pass because they don't think we'll make something. But here, ace of hearts, void spade. No, I don't want to leave. Yeah, so we can make nothing. So good pass by her, I guess. We lose a club, we lose a diamond, we lose 2 hearts, so we can only make 9 tricks in nothing, basically. Pass or no trump. 3-no. Or pass. Alright, let's try a heart lead. Not a success. Low club there. So dummy came down with a pretty good hand. 8 points. So I wouldn't, not surprised if they make game here, especially after I picked up my club and I let a well, they're gonna make a gajillion tricks. Set up my heart. Not sure if we'll get it, but you know. Partner throw a heart. Okay. That's the entry back to my heart suit. Really didn't matter, but you know, I would have thrown my club first and then. Then throw my heart. Okay, so just the 11 tricks for them. Not a particularly tough hand. We can always make 11 even if I lead a spade. Not that she really wants to do it on this hand, but if you ever double 3 no trumps like this, pass or no trump, pass 3 no, double, it's not just going to be a penalty double because you can't have it. So it's a lead directing double, and what lots of people play it for is lead a spade. Some people might play it for lead a major. I wouldn't do it in this situation, but it's like something worth considering. Diamond 2 clubs, sure, easy to 3 clubs. Three hearts. Alright, I'll bid 3 no. She's just transferring me the 3 no here. What do I have? It looks like I'll probably have 10 tricks. 5 clubs, 3 hearts, a spade and diamond. Just duck the spade. And jack of spades and then the, yep, alright. Yep, follow suit. Don't get ahead of yourself. Heart to the queen. Just playing the honour from the shorter suit first so that I can keep taking all my hearts in order. And I'll just take my ace of diamonds. And play another diamond. See if they are generous, but they're not. Nice, easy 10 tricks there. Not the world's most complicated hand. So here I got 11 points in a 5-card suit. I generally like opening 11 counts, but even if you don't open many 11 counts with a 5-card suit are worth opening. 1 club, 1 spade, 2 clubs. Oh, my partner's got a club fit, so I'll compete to 4 clubs. And we won it there. Okay, so she's only got 4 clubs, but I don't mind it in a competitive situation, doing a raise like that with 4 good clubs. I'm not going to make this contract, but the opponents have no spade losers. However, they might have up to 2 club losers and 2 heart losers. There's a chance that we might have been able to hold 2 spades to 2, but that would be a very unfavourable lie of the cards. Heart lead. Alright. So I'll just trump, get rid of the spade suit. Okay, so clubs were 2-2. First piece of bad news for me. Diamond was offside. Okay. So I should have been counting points to consider whether I want to try and drop the missing card. Now, Ace has shown up with Ace Queen of Diamonds. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't count enough points. I don't like. I'm fairly sure. Well, I'm not fairly sure of anything. I don't know what I'm saying. All I know is I should have been counting some more points, considered to drop the King of Hearts Doubleton, but it wasn't Doubleton anyway. So I am down 3, and they can make 4 hearts, 4 spades. But everyone's just passing that out, and 4 spades is just icy cold. They have 1 heart loser, they have 2 club losers, they have no diamonds, diamonds on side, spades divide. I think I've got a pretty automatic 1 club opening, and then while they might not get to 4 spades, they should compete to 3 spades at least, or something sensible like that. 10, 18 points. 1 spade, pass, pass. I can't bid a no trump here because I'm in the balancing position, so I'll start with a double. I'll just make another take-out double. I don't really want to bid 2 no trumps. Just says I got more values, do something. Three clubs. Okay. And we're in 3 clubs now. 3 no trumps. It's probably going to make. Yeah. I would suspect. So, tough hand to bid. I guess if I keep leading diamonds, I probably won't. 2 clubs, a heart. 2 diamonds if they're 4-2. But Ace probably has 4 of them. West has all the missing points. Low spade, queen. Okay. Sure. So I wouldn't have played a spade. Oh no, spade's fine. What am I talking about? Okay. Heart to the king, king of spades throwing a diamond, ace of diamonds, rough a diamond. Yeah, so she'll make 10 tricks. And we'll call that the last hand. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone enjoyed it. Some interesting hands. Not particularly well played or anything, but you know, some good stuff came up. And yeah, so I think 3-0 is cold on this last hand, but unfortunately we missed it. It's pretty tough after the 2 heart bid for me to do something. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.